my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady Joy. My darling people, This video when I just see Nana, the thing really provoked me like seriously. Who does that? Eh? Wait, oh, I don't understand. What in this world they turn it to? Because of man? You could just naked your fellow woman because of man. My darling people, this video, I been wanna not vex because the thing they vex me. Like, who does that? Picking the evil, they cry. What did they worry that useless girl? My people, this girl, now France, this one for the apple so. What did they worry on for that France there? They select to go put for there. Now only that man I did this word. When you go beat woman like that for streets, naked down, pull on a cloth. Who does that? Who does that, my darling people? This girl, they called the other girl come. May they ask the question, say why you go collect this girl boyfriend? He said na for a phone. Now he for see the number. So she go post the guy a picture for Facebook. Say na a man, na a baby father. You understand? So the way me take look and be like saying with this girl, they be friends. So he come be say if like say that one, the other one snatch am for the other one and I don't do for them. Because the rest can say, I wait for collect the number. He said that for the girl and my darling people. Now this girl just beat this girl. If not, then they ask the question. The next thing they just begin to fight the girl. Naked down, pull on a cloth. Then they drag her not naked down. The other girl cover the girl, make her body not show. He begin to fight the girl. Pull on the girl clothes. All because and then the video round. Now this girl body everything off for social media. Which kind of nonsense be that? Because man, what's a dead man? If you go snatch the man from you, not say that man don't be your own before. Because the guy that see your mumu guy. Now all women wait do open body for man. That man they fall put. You go quarrel with the mumu guy. They fight the guy because of man. See, and the thing don't full social media full everywhere. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Who does that? As I said the video now, the thing they provoke me, like the thing they vex me. Just beat the girl naked down. The girl pikin they cry for ground. They don't even care for the pikin. Make sure say they call police, arrest that girl. You go naked person, carry person body, put for social media. This girl body are full everywhere for social media now. Which kind of nonsense be that one? Eh? Make sure say they arrest that girl, that mumu girl will do this thing so. It's not good. What you do this girl not good. It's not just good at all. It just the girl body now don't fool all the social media now. Picking they cry for ground there. Picking they cry. Nobody even carry that picking. It just naked the girl. How that girl that will can't go ask now? Eh? Now wow, not the way we women not go do because of Masha. Not the way we don't go do. Because man, you just naked your fellow woman. Like seriously. You know even reason I'm say this thing when I want to do this girl so now good thing. You know good. Even though say she snatch her from your hand, she do what he really pay you. Now that reason because of that one you go just beat girl like that. Eh? The reason say that fans will not they wanna they spend money for me anyhow. Maybe you don't go spend your life for the guy and I make it they pay you for body so say the guy don't leave you. When I don't know say guys so if they spend money for you, not the love person. How many times they go turn and say una mumu don't do? How many times? Beat girl cut his hair like that. No. My people, some women are really terrible, like seriously. Some girls they terrible. Like that France, they select some of una put for there. Because what if they happen for there sometimes? You can't try this kind of a thing in Germany here. Who does that? What did they go do you and beat girl like that for streets like that? That girl make sure say go sue you. Who does that? Come man. Now, only that guy na be the guy who did this word. Where you go naked your fellow woman because of man. My people, I know if you put the video for YouTube, if not, I will put some one and see. That nonsense. Just fight the girl like that, naked. The girl said, people, a very quiet girl. I don't even know where to push and go carry that kind of person, man. Who does that? Very any human be. My darling people, the thing they provoke me, the thing they really provoke me. I go put the I don't know if put all the video, just more. I will put nonsense. Thank you, my darling people. Please share the video for me.
It comes from when she get this baby belly, see ending. I'm a couple not try that thing when I do for you. I do, I'm not because I know you. All right,
you go come.
Now so you go come, they post up.
When the one in the France, if I go come, I boy may come. Nothing I say, I don't forgive you. May everybody stay for me, but yourself I just will start. They yet you see my boyfriend for party.
They don't even got a poster. You purposely poster when I love
my baby papa. Go I don't fuck you now. You don't want to.
Oh yeah, talk.
You know,
okay. So before I go Italy,
I like it.
That time. So I called later to beg her and she not say her. So I can't see check person me people and make her say I'm sorry. So she can't say okay she here but you know she can get that. You know to be friends There are two companies that
because they write no sense. Not correct yourself because Jennifer don't move. We don't
my baby papa.
We don't Jennifer don't leave. Correct yourself. You say person where
born for
where it born for. If you say
I'm not cutting. God bless people. Baby shout out.
that girl so the girl call
Bonjour, bonjour.
the girl
Ouais,
call
merci.
bonjour. So for the comment section, the person write me say, is it your husband? So me, I don't forgot to explain all those things for comment. I just say yes. So I surprised now when we say see Jennifer for this moment. I see the city happen.
but let us ask you the one where I want to
The video.
that one where you go post that because that matter reach my hand. Where you say you go carry, where you for see video say you want to go do money. You know say that in an image.
Okay, you
Let me talk.
It's that
How you for take see?
Now for our phone, I was saying,
You can't collect them. You give you the code.
the place you for say as you see something for person phone, you
where's
can't
Messi
collect.
talking? I mean,
One shot for me.
leave her, me answer
What's that they count that for? When I make a call,
This thing, why you go collect them from me for? I don't want to be first. Because
maybe the root.
you say whether to where she share. Maybe madam for Siam, I don't know.
Yeah, madam for
So when I say to her,
maybe now with madam, they work together.
Now you give him madam.
no, I don't know, madam.
Then you
know
say
say
madam.
wait,
You just say na madam matter carry am come. Why this? No, you want involve yourself. Now they don't. Now you say to donation for your conference. You never let me enter.
It don't enter donation.
Mama.
He said na his document. I say donation no go to the conference. Everything is there with their destination.
You don't you never the talk is buy yourself. It's still got to copy. You just do what you do. Oh God,
No, I always say to
no.
my copy back.
Not they talk all this kind
Prince
of
give am.
Not they talk all this kind of
Na Prince give am, I take am. So
I bet keep on for people you passenger.
I don't know where they consider document. Where they consider get document to the prince everything. That doesn't work without those is then. As if they don't keep your wife, I go come after.
Come out. Married woman where they don't take time.
I tell my house, they don't copy. They do share for social media. You don't reach.